Peace, y'all. My name is Eugene, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about peer accountability groups for folks doing that grad track life. Um, in graduate school, there are lots of things that you have to do that have like logistical deadlines, but there are also lots of parts of graduate school that don't have explicit deadlines or external validation, like tasks or projects that you need to accomplish, where it's kind of on you. And so, some examples of those are transferring credits from a previous graduate program, like filling out paperwork, or connecting with committee members to try to determine who you should work with on your dissertation or projects, or talking to students in your program about their experiences with like qualifying exams or prelims. And so when there are these kind of types of work, it is helpful to leverage networks or peers or friends to kind of be that support system. Some specific examples for me, two specific examples have been developing the daily habit of writing and also working on my time management. So, with writing, when I am in person in my grad program, there's like a room that's held by the writing center, and I'm able to come at a regular time and kind of check in with people, and we're all kind of working around writing, and it gives me support around not being distracted or not collecting data or not working on something else that I might do if I was in the lab or if I was just in another space with graduate students. And then another example is time management. There's a faculty member in my department, and she is somebody that's trained in facilitation around time management. And she hosts like a weekly Zoom session where we meet at a regular time and we plan out our time. And she's very helpful in kind of having us go through a regular process, check in, talk about what's working, and talk about what isn't. So all that to say that as I think you move into graduate school, a lot of the work can be hidden or it just doesn't have a lot of external validation, and that's when that's when leveraging your peer accountability groups can really be helpful. I kind of think of GradTrack as a peer accountability group in the sense that you all are kind of working on similar things as you think about graduate school with other people that are going through the process at the same time. So, again, just encouraging you all to think about how you can use peer accountability groups, friends, networks, relationships to kind of help you accomplish things. Thanks, y'all. Peace.